welcome to Daily English 10. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. We are so happy you are here with us today.
We are. Today, our topic is something everyone needs: simple daily English conversations.
That's right. We will help you speak English in everyday situations. We will learn simple questions and simple answers.
Yes, we want you to feel confident. Speaking a new language can feel a little scary, but we are here to help. We will start with very simple steps.
You'll see, it's easier than you think. Okay, so first things first. When you meet someone, you say hello.
Exactly. The easiest way is to say hello or hi. Let's practice that. Just listen and repeat. Hello.
Hi. Both are perfect. After you say hello, it's friendly to ask, how are you?
How are you? This is a very common and polite question.
Right. And how do you answer, Emma?
There are many simple answers. A very common one is, I'm fine, thank you. And you? It's always nice to ask back.
And you is a great phrase. You can also say, I'm good, thanks. What about you?
Or even more simply, good, thanks, you.
What if you are just okay? Not good, not bad.
You can say, I'm okay, or not bad. Let's put this all together in a short conversation. I will start.
Okay.
Hi, Alex. How are you?
I'm great, thank you, Emma. And you?
I'm very well, thanks.
See, that was a full conversation. It was short, easy, and friendly.
Yes. Let's do it one more time, a little different. This time, I am just okay.
All right. Hello, Emma.
Hi, Alex.
How are you?
I'm okay, thanks. How are you?
I'm good. I hope your day gets better.
Thank you. That's a very kind thing to say. You can use these greetings anywhere.
Now, let's talk about simple conversations about your day, at home or with a friend.
Right. People often ask about your morning or your evening. For example, in the evening, you can ask a friend, how was your day?
How was your day? A great question, and the answer can be very simple.
It was good, or it was busy, or even it was a little difficult.
Let's practice that. Emma, how was your day?
It was good, thanks. I went for a walk. How was your day?
It was busy but good. I had a lot of work.
Another common topic is plans. You can ask, what are you doing tonight?
Oh, yes, that's a friendly question.
And the answer can be simple. I'm going to watch a movie, or I will read my book, or nothing special.
Let's try that one. Emma, what are you doing tonight?
I'm cooking dinner with my family. What about you?
That sounds nice. I'm going to watch a football game on TV.
Great. These are real conversations you can have every single day.
Okay, what about when you are not at home? For example, in a coffee shop.
Ah, yes. This is a very common situation. You need to order something. You can be polite and simple.
So, you walk up to the counter. What do you say?
Hello, can I have a coffee, please?
Can I have... That is a very useful phrase. Can I have a coffee, please? Or can I have a tea, please?
Exactly. Let's do a mini role play. I am the customer, you are the barista.
Okay, hello. What can I get for you?
Hello, can I have a large coffee, please?
Sure. Anything else?
No, thank you, that's all.
Okay, that'll be $3.
Here you are. Thank you.
Thank you. See? Very simple, very clear, and very important. Let's move on to another very common topic, the weather. Now, for a really important part of our conversation today, being brave and making mistakes.
Oh, definitely. People talk about the weather all the time. It's a great way to start a conversation. Yes, we know it can be scary to speak. You worry, what if I say it wrong? What if they don't understand me?
Right, that feeling.
But please remember, mistakes are normal. They are a part of learning. Every single English speaker made mistakes when they were learning.
Absolutely. Think of a mistake not as a problem, but as a step forward. It shows you are trying.
That's a great way to think about it. Be proud of your mistakes and don't wait to be perfect. If you wait for perfect, you will never speak.
So true. Just try. Use the simple phrases we learned today. People are usually very kind and patient. They will be happy you are trying to speak their language.
A good tip is to start with one person you feel comfortable with, a friendly shop owner, a kind colleague. Practice your "hello, how are you?" with them.
So today we learned some very important phrases for simple daily English conversations.
That's right. We learned greetings, how to ask about someone's day, and how to order a coffee.
We also talked about why it's okay to make mistakes. The goal is not perfection. The goal is communication.
The most important tip we have for you is this: practice every day.
Yes, just 5 minutes a day can make a big difference. Say the phrases out loud. Practice in front of a mirror.
Find small moments to use your English. You will see your confidence grow day by day. You can do it.
That's all the time we have for today on Daily English 10. Thank you for listening.
Keep practicing and join us next time. Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.